As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Axie cost will hit $9 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $10 by the center of 2024. Axie will ascend to $12 inside the time of 2025, $15 in 2026, $20 in 2028, and $25 in 2032. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.76, so the cost expanded by 29% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $9.43 and the year-to-year change plus 57%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 22%. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $11.05. In the last part, the cost would add 59 cents and close the year at $11.64, which is plus 50% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later, close to days and months. Sunday, December 10, $7.83. Monday, December 11, $7.91. Tuesday, December 12, $7.98. Wednesday, December 13, $8.06. Thursday, December 14, $8.14. Friday, December 15, $8.21. Saturday, December 16, $8.29. Sunday, December 17, $8.36. January 15, $9.56. February 15, $9.84. March 15, $10.10. April 15, $10.37. May 15, $10.64. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $11.64 to $20.42, which is up 75%. Axie will begin 2025 at $11.64, then, at that point, take off to $12.36 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $12.89. That implies plus 66% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $20.42 to $29.69, which is plus 45%. Axie will begin 2030 at $20.42, then take off to $21.73 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $23.03. It is about plus 197% from today. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.12, so the cost expanded by 2% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.18 and the year-to-year change plus 36%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 34%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $8.66. In the last part, the cost would lose $1.08 and close the year at $7.58, which is plus 24% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Axie cost would move from $7.58 to $17.01, which is up 124%. Axie will begin 2025 at $7.58, then take off to $7.93 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $8.39. That implies plus 37% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $17.01 to $19.81, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2030 at $17.01, then, at that point, take off to $17.15 inside the primary portion of the year and finish 2030 at $18.18. It is about plus 197% from today. 11/1/2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $5.36, so the cost diminished by 11% from the outset of the year. The gauge Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $6.40 and the year-to-year change plus 7%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 19%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $6.78. In the last part, the cost would lose 84 cents and close the year at $5.94, which is plus 11% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Axie cost would move from $5.94 to $13.32, which is up 124%. Axie will begin 2025 at $5.94, then take off to $6.21 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $6.57. That implies plus 23% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $13.32 to $15.51, which is plus 16%. Axie will begin 2030 at $13.32, then, at that point, take off to $13.43 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $14.24. It is about plus 166% from today. 10-15-2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $4.28, so the cost diminished by 29% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $5.50, and the year-to-year change 8%. The ascent from today to year-end? Plus 28%. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $5.80. In the final part, the cost would add 36 cents and close the year at $6.16, which is plus 44% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $6.16 to $11.43, which is up 86%. Axie will begin 2025 at $6.16, then, at that point, take off to $6.43 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $7.59. That implies plus 77% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $11.43 to $15.20, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $11.43, then take off to $12.16 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $12.89. It is about plus 201% from today. 10-1-2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $4.60, so the cost diminished by 23% from the very start of the year. The estimated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $5.69, and the year-to-year change 5%.